In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a debit note in Zoho Books. This is a handy tool for managing your finances and ensuring that your accounting records are accurate and up to date. Let's jump right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and type Zoho into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you'll be presented with a list of search results. You'll want to click on the first link that appears, or ensure that you click on a link with zoho.com as its URL. Once there, you'll either log in if you already have an account or sign up if you're new to Zoho. The sign-up process is straightforward, and you'll just need to have some basic information at hand. Once logged into your Zoho account, navigate to Zoho Books. You can do this by selecting it from your list of available Zoho applications. After entering Zoho Books, you'll find yourself at the dashboard. This is your command center where you can access all of your accounting tools and reports. On the left sidebar of Zoho Books, you'll see various modules. Look for the one labeled Purchases and click on it. This will take you into the section dedicated to managing vendors and purchases, which is key for creating a debit note. From here, you'll want to focus on vendor credits, which is your next stop. Click on the Vendor Credits option. A new window will open that displays previously created vendor credits, if any. To create a new one, you'll see an option that says Create Vendor Credits. Go ahead and click this. At this point, you'll be required to enter all necessary details. Start with the vendor's name. If the vendor is already in your system, you can simply select them from a drop-down menu. If they're not, you'll have the opportunity to add a new vendor right here. Next, input the credit note number. This is a unique identifier for tracking the debit note within your records. Follow it up with the order number and the vendor credit date. It's important to fill in the date correctly as it indicates when the transaction took place. You will also be asked to add a subject for this particular credit note. Choose something that easily identifies the transaction when you look back at it later. Fill out the accounts payable section with relevant details, which will help in balancing your accounting books. Ensure that you correctly enter the total amount of the credit note and any items involved in the transaction. Double-check your entries to ensure accuracy. Once all fields are filled out, you'll have the option to Save as Open. Click this to finalize the creation of your debit note. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on creating a debit note in Zoho Books. This process helps maintain clarity in your business transactions and accounts, making sure everything is neatly organized. If you follow these steps precisely, you should have no trouble managing your vendor credits effectively. Thanks for watching and happy accounting!